In this video, we will be reviewing task-driven priorities. First, click on Priorities in your left navigation. To create a task-driven priority, click Add Priority, and this screen will pop out, which actually allows you to add any type of priority. There's only two required fields, including the priority name and the priority owner. These are all other customizable fields, and then we'll scroll down to the priority type. There's three different types of priorities: KPI-driven, roll-up, and task-driven. The difference between a priority and a task lies in the weight of that specific goal. A priority should be something much larger. It's going to take a longer amount of time and might have a few different people working on it or interested in it. A task-driven is a very simplistic check-off goal that once you are done, you don't even really need to look back on. It's going to take a less amount of time and count more as a milestone in completing your larger objectives or priorities. Once I've selected task-driven, that means that the percent complete of my goal for the quarter will be solely based off of the tasks that I have below it. Keep in mind that you can add tasks to any type of priority. However, once it's task-driven, then these tasks really do matter in the calculation. I can go down here and click Add Task and type in an example task. I'll say that I need to be done with that task by next week and assign it to a specific person. Save. Maybe let's add 2 examples so that we're ready to go. You can see this one is yellow because it's taking place or due on the specific day. If I were to check that one off, the calculation of these two would be 1 out of 2 tasks complete and should be 50% complete. Let's take a look. I'll click Save Priority, scroll down, and you can see here, I'm 1 out of 2 tasks complete. Tasks are special in their coloring, that they're only going to turn yellow or red once you actually have an overdue tasks. So as opposed to other priorities that are fully calculating the color based off of the percentage over here, tasks are fully calculating the color based off of overdue tasks versus completed tasks. That said, you also have the option to change the color yourself if need be. To edit a priority, I'll click on the 3 dots over here and click Edit. I'll scroll down to the bottom and show you what I was talking about in terms of changing the color. So let's say, yes, I don't have any overdue tasks right now. However, I'm not very confident that I will complete the tasks as need be by the end of the quarter, or that I will complete this specific goal by the end of the quarter. I can go ahead and select User-Driven Status and change the status to more accurately depict how I'm feeling about my current priority. If I was concerned about completing the priority by the end of the color, I'd simply just click Concerned. For any other color, of course, you can change that as well. I'll save the priority, and now you can see at the bottom that that has changed to yellow. There is a difference here in the coloring of what is telling you what type of priority this is. So this is a task-driven priority, but the teal color indicates that the color has been selected by the user rather than by the computer. All right, if you have any questions on the topic, always feel free to send us a message over here on your left bottom of your screen at the Contact Us button. Thanks so much.